Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by meeting the prerequisites and entering Berry Avenue. First, confirm your level and inventory. This unlocks the mesh vendor. Once done, travel to Maple Gate and set your respawn there so attempts are quick. Make sure you have $250 and one key in your inventory. That combination triggers the vendor dialog. You approach the vendor, choose the grown-up mesh option, and initiate the handshake sequence. This first action unlocks the scripted interaction that leads to the mesh acquisition. Once at the vendor, you execute a precise dialog path because the system only accepts that sequence. Choose responses 2, 1, then 3 to start purchase confirmation. Then perform the 30-second emote sequence. This keeps the server flag active and ensures the mesh is minted to your profile. Make sure to stay within interaction radius and maintain line of sight, otherwise the vendor aborts. If animations lag, slow your emote timing to match network delay so the vendor completes the transaction properly. You finish by equipping the grown-up mesh from your inventory and saving it to an outfit slot so it persists across sessions. If the mesh does not appear, relog to refresh assets and inspect your transaction log for a failed vendor entry. If the purchase failed, respawn at Maple Gate, confirm $250 and key are present, and repeat the vendor sequence. One key troubleshooting tip: if the vendor times out, move slightly then reinitiate dialog. This often clears sync issues and lets the purchase complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.